Greetings, and welcome to the Rethink Your Drink Nevada recipe series. Today, we will be making watermelime. For this recipe, you will need a cutting board, a knife, 2 cups of seedless watermelon, a lime, a big spoon, and a clean pitcher. Before you start, make sure you wash your hands using soap and water. Wash the watermelon and lime under cool, running water. Using the knife and cutting board, remove the rind and cut the watermelon into cubes. Next, cut the lime into thin slices. Make sure to remove any seeds. Add the watermelon and lime to the pitcher. Fill the pitcher with 6 cups of cool tap water. Use your spoon to stir gently. Cover the pitcher and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You want to give it enough time to get nice and cold and for the flavors to blend. Once cold, take the pitcher out of the fridge. For safety reasons, remove the lime and the watermelon. Pour the beverage into glasses and enjoy! For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.